When I told my friends that I was going to take some delicious apricots and turn it into a beautiful slushie, they said I was insane. Well, I may be crazy, but I may just be the lunatic you're looking for. Folks, let's dice up some apricots, add some water, and make a delicious smoothie slushie thanks to the good folks at QuickFreezer. So first, let's go ahead, take fresh apricots, dice them up, and pull out the pits. Then we're going to put them into the device and add a little bit of water, and we're going to let it do the work. Next up, it has a built-in blender, so it's going to go ahead and mix all of that together, dicing it into the tiniest little portions. Now, letting the machine work its magic for a few minutes, we're left with this. A perfectly delicious snack for the whole family. Now, this is not just healthy, but it's something that the whole family will enjoy. Now, of course, you can try this with a variety of other fruit as well, and they've just done a great job making a high-quality mix that is not just delicious, but it's something that you're going to want to serve to your guests. Now, with the QuickFreezer, you know the fact that it's great for parties. We had a Price is Right party, we had a New Year's party, we had my birthday party, and you know what? This device was the highlight of all three. Why was it so popular? Well, you could put your favorite adult beverage inside, and it turns it into a delicious slushie, thick and rich, quickly. And you're getting all that flavor, and it's doing something that other devices can't do. That's good. So folks, this is a real game changer. I'm talking no syrups, no artificial flavors. You can literally put straight up fruit and water, and this brand new accessory does all of the work for you. A built-in blender, mixing it all up for you, and you're getting fresh fruit in an icy form, straight from the source. You can mix it up, you can put your favorite flavors, you can do things like oranges, strawberries, all sorts, and yes, this is absolutely delicious. And don't forget, folks, you can also use the original container, so you can do things like diet sodas or make your own drinks without the blender. So we have with the blender option and without, it just drops right in the front, and you can do so much more easily and conveniently. Personally, I like to put a little Gatorade in there, and we have a great little healthy snack for all around. Now, that new blender option is an absolute game changer. Just push the button right there to go ahead and engage the blender motor. You drop it in, you're good to go. And in addition, this is USB-C chargeable, so you're not replacing batteries, you're not even plugging it in. How cool is that? So for me, this is a total game changer. You're able to get that fruity taste, but you get all the nutrients of real fruit and not any of the added sugars that you're gonna get from syrup. This isn't like going to 7-Eleven and getting a slushie. This is a real healthy treat that you can feel good about serving to your friends, family, and to the kids. If you're a parent, you definitely need this. You know what I really like about ICEMAGE? They don't just launch a product and move on. You can see them actually listening, iterating, and making things better. Look at the QuickFreezer 2. Less prep, fewer tools, way easier to make real fruit shaved ice. That's not an accident. The team takes real feedback and they make something better with that feedback. That's why I respect the brand, and that's why they keep getting better and better. So folks, before I let you go, I want to give a big shout out to the team, Cherish and everyone who have been absolutely fantastic in keeping me in the mix so I can test out their latest prototypes and recommend them to you. I got to visit them recently when I was in China, and I gotta say, their factory, their facility, their R&D, their research is truly fantastic. Great people, great quality, great engineers, and a whole lot of fun. So if you're looking for something that's truly innovative and original, something that you can back and put your hard-earned money behind, and something that won't break the bank, well, this is a healthy solution for me and you that's perfect for the whole family. So if you're grandma and grandpa and you want to treat the grandkids, you can feel healthy and happy about it. If you are a mom and dad, or just somebody who likes a little snack before their exercise, this is a perfect option for you. And it's a great option for me. We highly recommend you go check out all the information in the description below. We'll put it all there for you. This is an absolute winner. Thanks for watching. I love you guys, but it's time to go get to shopping. Goodbye, my friends.